If you like the video, please subscribe Technical PCT channel and click the bell icon to get the latest videos.
Everyone, and I'm very sorry I'm a little bit late today. Very sorry for being late. The greatest sin in the world is making others to wait for us. I'm very sorry. And yesterday we went through that determinant. Yes, right. You can write down now. That means if yesterday I taught you if A is equals to A, B, C, D is one matrix, right? Then that A is equals to AD minus BC. Okay. Increase the volume. That A is equal to AD minus BC is called the determinant of capital A, and it is a numerical value. For the write down, if capital A is equals to the matrix A, B, C, D, then that A is equals to AD minus BC. This is the way of finding the determinant of 1 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. And the second one it is if capital A is equals to, observe, A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3, and that A can be expanded like this. Don't write, just observe. A1 into that of excluding this concerned column and this row, you are going to get B2, C2, B3, C3. Am I right? Minus of B1 into just exclude this column and concerned row of that element. You are going to get the elements called A2, C2, A3, C3. Am I right? Plus C1 into that of excluding this column, excluding this row and this column, you are going to get A2, B2, A3, B3. Observe once again. First one it is positive, okay? A1 into plus A1, okay? Exclude this column and this row, you are going to get B2, C2, B3, C3 minus B1 into that of excluding this column and this row, these four elements A2, C2, A3, C3 plus C1 into excluding this row and this column, you are going to get another four elements A2, okay, B2, A3, B3. Now find the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. That means which is equals to, observe here, A1 into same AD minus BC. Observe ABCD AD minus BC means B2C3 minus B3C2 minus B1 into A2C3 minus A3C2 plus C1 into A2B3 minus A3B2. Generally, this is the way of expanding one 3 by 3 matrix. The way, that means you after this problem, after this synapsis, you are having properties of determinants. After finding of properties of determinants, that means after teaching of the properties of determinants, easily you can understand what is called cofactor and why we have used this one. Now just copy these two synapses. Let us make a trial and some examples on this one. Write down these properties. Write down these synapses. And now itself I have seen the chart box. What is the shortcut method to find out determinant? There is no shortcut method. Of course, shortcut methods are used by using properties. In the next exercise, you are going to get the shortcut method of 3 by 3. Okay. It seems to be very big, but you will be habituated for this one. Don't worry. Yes, let me start exercise number 1. Concerning to only these two properties. Okay, write down. Find the determinant of capital A is equals to 2, 4, minus 5, minus 1. This is the first problem. Find the determinant of capital A is equals to 2, 4, minus 5, minus 1. Observe. See, this is the question given to you. The answer. Det A is equals to det of 2, 4, minus 5, minus 1. You should observe the what it is, brackets which I am using. Okay. Now, this is matrix, this is determinant. You should not close as square brackets while you want to represent a determinant. I am repeating this one. You should not close the bracket if you want to represent a determinant. This is matrix, this is determinant. Okay. Now, that A is equals to AD means 2 into minus 1, AD minus 2, minus BC 4, 5, 20, minus of minus is equals to plus. It is equals to 18. Take down. Hope you understood. I am repeating this one. If A is equals to this, that A is equals to this one. That A is equals to ABCD means AD, it is minus 2, minus of BC is equals to minus 20, minus of minus becomes positive. Now take down another one. Take down another question. Find the determinant of the following matrices. Find the determinant of the following matrices. Capital A is equals to cos theta minus sin theta and cos theta. And second problem it is det of, that means I am giving you directly, x square minus x plus 1. This is the first element. X minus 1, second element. X plus 1, second row, first element. And x plus 1 again. Copy these two. Observe A, I have given you the first problem as capital A is equal to cos theta minus sin theta and cos theta. Okay. Now, det A is equals to det of. Okay. This is the difference between the brackets you should know. And det A value is equal to, observe, A, B, C, D, AD means cos square theta minus AD minus BC sin theta into sin theta sin square theta into minus, that is plus sin square theta. That means cos square theta plus sin square theta value is equals to 1. Now, the second problem, you copy that one, I will discuss. You copy that one, I will discuss this. Yes. Now, let me consider this entire element is equals to small a. This is B, this is C, and this is D. A, B, C, D means that A value is equals to AD means x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1 minus of, I am repeating, AD minus BC, that means x plus 1 into x minus 1. Now, I think you know the formula, A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square is equals to. Otherwise, just multiply this one. If you want, then that means you are going to get the answer directly. Multiply this one, you are going to get the answer. That is the formula for A cube minus B cube. A cube minus B cube or A cube plus B cube. And I am observing the chart box, like in that one question arises, how to find out, how to do determinant of 2 cross 3. That is not 2 cross 3, that is 2 by 3. 2 by 3. 2 by 3 matrix. For 2 by 3 matrix, you can't find out the determinant. Why? Because the determinants comes for only square matrices. Determinant can be found for only square matrices. You can't find determinant for 2 by 3 matrix. And here, observe A, B, C, D. This is A, B, C, D. Nothing is here. AD, this element into this element. AD minus BC. Right? Now simplify this one by multiplying, or if you know the formula, A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square is equal to A cube minus B cube, or A cube plus B cube minus A minus B into A plus B is equal to A square minus B square. After copying that one, copy this question. If you know how to do, start doing. Hope you understood this answer. So this is the formula which you should use for this one here. That is x cube plus 1 minus x square minus 1. Minus of minus, it is positive. Yes, next. First of all, that fellow has given you capital A is equal to matrix 1, 2, 4, 2, which implies find out 2A. 2A is equal to 2, 4, okay, 8, 4. Okay. LHS. Det of 2A is equal to det of 2, 4, 8, 4, which is equal to AD minus BC. Simplify that one. And RHS. 4 into det A is equal to 4 into det A value. 1, 2, 4, 2 is equals to 4 into AD minus BC. Simplify that and those two should be equal. Hope you got this. After that, write down the next question. If capital A is equals to 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 4, show that det of 3A is equal to 27 into det A. Start doing this problem. Start doing this problem. I hope you have copied this. I hope you have copied this. So now start doing that problem. Now find out immediately 3A. 3A is equals to 3, 0, 3, 0, 3, 3, 2, 6, 0, 0, 12. Am I right? Now find the determinant of LHS. Det of 3A is equals to det of 303, 036, 0012, which implies det of 3A is equals to, observe. I am repeating yesterday's. This element 3 into, okay, excluding this column and this row, you will have these 4 elements, right? Find the det of this. 3 into 12 minus 0. I am repeating this. 3 into, exclude this column and this row. Find the det of these 4 elements by considering A, B, C, D. You are going to get AD 36 minus BC, okay, minus 0 into excluding this column and this row. You will have these 4 elements. Exclude this column and this row. You will have these 4 elements. 0 into 12, 0 minus 0 into 6, obviously 0, plus 3 into this element, exclude this column and this row and this column. You will have 4 elements, A, B, C, D. AD minus BC. You are going to get 0 minus 0. Now 36 into 3, it is equals to, observe, minus 0 plus 0 over. Now RHS 27 into det A is equals to 27 into det of 1 4, which is equals to 27 into, observe, this 1 into, exclude this column and this row, you are going to get these 4 elements. Find the det of that one. 1 into 4, 4 minus 0. Minus 0 into this row and this column gone. 0 minus 0. Right? Next, plus 1 into, exclude this column and this row. 0 minus 0. So you are going to get 27 into 4. It is equals to, or not 8. LHS is equals to RHS. Answer. Take down. Hope you understood this. And I am observing in the chat box that, sir, why can't we start with the negative sign while multiplying? In the next exercise, you are going to get properties of determinants. At that time, I will tell you how to expand the determinant. You can use any row or any column. If you use that second row, you are going to start with a negative number. So no issue. In the next exercise, it will be clarified. And another doubt in the chat box, I am seeing, sir, in the previous class, you said the shortcut for 2 by 2 matrix. Similarly, is there any shortcut for 3 by 3? Obviously there, but you should not use in PU. So, in the next classes, that means in the fourth coming classes, there will be clarified. Nothing to worry. Another, I got a good question, sir. We are starting the determinant with a positive sign. Why can't we start with a negative sign? For that one, I am giving the clarification. We are using the first row now. We are using the first row to expand the determinant. If you use the second row, you are going to start with a negative. That means I am going to give you the sign. I am repeating. All of you listen. If you want to expand the determinant with the first row, positive, negative, positive, right? And if you want to start with a negative, with the second row, negative, positive, negative, okay? And if you want to start with the third row, positive, negative, and positive, you are going to get this concept in the next exercise at the time of cofactors, right? So up to then, you just expand with normal, that is first row. Okay. And another student asked me about the shortcut. Okay, little bit I will give you here. Here itself. How much you got here? 108, na? Yes, observe. There are two zeros here, right? Two zeros here. So this element into, okay, exclude, sorry, this element into exclude this column and this row, right? And you are going to get this entire 4 minus 0. That means the determinant value of this one is 4. I'm not speaking about 3a. If you want 3a, okay, 3a determinant, easily you are going to get observed. That is 1 minute. If you want the determinant of 3a, this element into this column, this row gone, if two zeros are there, okay, and this is 36 minus 0, so 108. Okay, like that. If two zeros are there, then only it is possible, otherwise you can't do that one. And another shortcut is also there, afterwards we can discuss. Now, take down another problem. Find the determinant of the following matrices. Find the determinant of the following matrices. Three minus 1 minus 2, 0, 0 minus 1, 3 minus 5, 0. Find out. Expand this one by using first row. See, you asked me the shortcut. Observe. There are two zeros here. Okay. The answer should be minus 1 into minus of minus 1 into exclude this row and this column. It is minus 15 plus 3. The answer should be minus 12. Let us see this. Observe. 3 into exclude this column and this row. For these 4, find out the debt. 0 minus of 5 into 1 minus into minus positive, it is 5. Okay. Minus of already minus 1 into excluding this row, this column and this row, you are going to get 0 minus 1, 3, okay, 0. 0 minus of minus plus 3, right? Minus 2 into excluding this column and this row, you will have 4 elements, 0 minus 0. I am repeating this one, observe it. 3 into excluding this column and this row, you are going to get these 4 elements. Find out the determinant of this. 0 minus of is this. So 0 minus into minus is positive. 1 into 5 is 5. Okay. Minus 1 positive over negative. Minus 1 into excluding this column and this row, you will have 4 elements like this. 0 minus of minus, it is positive, it becomes 3. Minus 2 into this column and this row, 0 minus 0. Okay, now you are going to get minus 15. Okay, minus into minus plus 1 into 3 is equals to 3. You are going to get minus 12. Right? That is a shortcut method. That means when there are two zeros here, right? This element into concerned column, concerned row. Okay, but here what I said? Positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative now. Negative of negative, negative of negative into minus 15 plus 3. It is minus 12. Okay, like this you should do. Take down this problem and write down another one. Three minus 4, 5. 1 minus 2, 2, 3, 1. Find the determinant of that problem. And I am going to give you 2 more questions as homework. First of all, do this one now. Find the delta of 0, 1, 2, minus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, 3, 0. And second one, delta of 2, minus 1, minus 2, 0, 2, minus 1, 3, minus 1, 0. Here I am observing body is not clearly visible, sir. There is no problem from our side. You just adjust your cam and sit. Here I am observing another doubt. Sir, can you please tell me the definition of determinant? Actually, the determinant definition will come along with the cofactor definition. Without knowing that cofactor, you can't define a determinant. That's why I have given you the application part, right? Good question. Generally, one student asked me, sir, what is the definition of a determinant? Definition of a determinant depends upon the cofactor values, right? That means if you want to define a determinant, the cofactor is essential. In the next exercise, you are going to get cofactor. Without knowing cofactor, you can't define a determinant. That's why I have given you the application part, how to expand the determinant. Okay, in the next exercise, we will definitely. And some students got the answer as 46, and some students got the answer as 54. How is it possible? All should get only one, huh? Observe. 3 into, okay, 1 plus 6 minus of minus 4 plus 4 into 1 plus 4 plus 5 into 3 minus 2. Simplify this. Whatever the answer you got, they will find. After that, copy those 2 problems as homework. And if it is possible, do it now. These two are homework. So copy them and otherwise start doing now. Do these problems now itself. Start doing. Tomorrow we can see some more problems, which is in the same exercise. Another question I got. Sorry, is there any 4x4 matrices? You are going to get 4x4 matrices in your engineering, not in your PU. I am very sorry. And I got another doubt. It is consuming high data, sir. I can't help you. Don't misuse the chat box, right? If you want, just raise a question. I can help. What can I do for your data? Useless.